Welcome to part 2 of Cartoon Game TileSet. So I went ahead and created the right corner piece here. You see I've got my slant, and I can go ahead and do Control T, right click, and flip that horizontally. Bring that over. And I'm just gonna erase everything but this corner piece, because that's that piece right there that I've got. And then I'm gonna take these two here and merge them together, merge layers. So we've got our corner pieces now that will snap right in place. And let's make sure that I did actually get them to snap together. And that looks alright. Got a little bit of a blip there, but that's okay. I'll leave that there for now. So let's go ahead and talk about creating some pieces that have some cliff type side pieces here. So I'm going to go over to my tile pieces layer here. And these are the ones that I've merged and created one piece, but I still have all my original layers here. So let's go ahead and take our top center. And what we're going to do here is maybe kind of move these around a little bit. Might even go ahead and shrink them and flip them a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this shadow piece block there, that detail, and that looks pretty good. What I'm going to do is go to the elliptical, and right in the corner here I'm just going to click, and I'm going to hold Shift and Alt, and that gives me that circle. I might need to zoom out here and redo that. Now let's see if I want it to actually clip up here like so. There we go. So on my base now, I'm going to delete that. I'll have to hide these other layers here so we can see what's going on. Looks like I've got my baby's attention.
Baby?
Yeah, we got your attention. Is that cool? Is that cool or what? That's cool. And the baby approves.
Baby? Toot. Mom?
Yeah, he's got a lot to say about this here. I might go ahead and move these pieces over. And I may not even want all this here, right? Maybe we'll just do these two right here, and I'll kind of move this over. Then on our base, we've got that little piece right there. I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that. So now we've got this nice cliff edge here. And I'm going to go ahead and name this now. We're going to call this cliff underscore right. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that. Call this one cliff underscore left. And we'll just go ahead and take these and flip them. So we'll go ahead and take this base, flip horizontally. And then I'll just move these over. And just kind of resize them in where I like them. And this is just a nice circular cartoony cliff right there. So that I can do the same thing that I've done before, and that's Duplicate those, merge them together. Call this cliff left. And then for my other one, I'm going to do the same thing. Select all of them, duplicate, merge layers, cliff underscore left. Oh, right. There we go. Now, one easy way of moving these two pieces over is that I can just select them, click, and drag. Go over to our next window here, and you should be able to just drag it over into your comp. Now, if it doesn't let you drag up into it and it's kind of freezing like mine is, sometimes it takes a minute. But if it doesn't do that, what you can do is window, arrange, and tile vertically here. And I've still got this window selected, so then I can drag these right into here, drag them right in. Now I'm going to go back to my window, arrange, and consolidate all tabs. And we'll do the left click here and move that over. Voila! So now we've got our two cliffs as well. Now we could do a curved floating platform several ways. We can also create some unique pieces. So what I could do here is go up to one of these that I've created here. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and duplicate this. Just call it center. Alright, so that's good. And then I've got this piece here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and duplicate that. And snap that in place. And then I'm going to call that brick right and duplicate this. Control T, right click, flip horizontally. There we go. Bring this one over here. And I'm also going to bring one out here and scale this one down a little bit. Select these two and merge them together. Now we've got our highlight piece and we've got a center console piece. So I'll go ahead and select all these, right? Merge these layers. And I could even call this center bracket. And we'll go ahead and arrange tile. Drag this right over. And now we've got a tile piece here that we can start to branch out if we wanted to. And so now I'm going to need to take these two pieces here and create my corner pieces for that though. So let's do, we need our corner slants. So I'm going to take these two and duplicate them. And I'm just going to erase these pieces here. And then this piece I'm going to bring underneath it, snap it in, there we go. So we've got some brackets going on there. Let's merge these together. So center, corner, brackets. Now if we wanted to use our top center, we could easily snap that to it, or we could also grab the right slant here and put that in there. Alright, so we're going to call that good for now. Be sure to check out Cartoon 2 Game TileSet, where I'll show you a little bit more with advanced offsetting, so to speak, where we'll go ahead and create some custom tileable textures for just some basic cartoon pieces, similar to this, but with a little bit more detail in it.